Hi, I'm Sanjana. My role here in Vanity Cube is business partner manager. So what I basically do is I talk with various artists, beauticians, and bring them on board with Vanity Cube. My work is not restricted just in business partner manager. It's like multitasking. You have to do a lot of things apart from what you're really doing. So what I really like about my role in Vanity Cube is that you are not restricted to one thing only. You got to do lots of things. You grow with it. You talk to lots of clients, beauticians. You go to events. You basically manage each and everything. So it's like the ownership that you have with the work, and I think it's fantastic. Getting this kind of opportunity at the level right now I am in. So it's really good. So what I like the most about working in Vanity Cube is the package that comes with it. See, I'm a girl, so I get free manicure, free pedicure. So beauticians are testing on me. Every time we have a makeup artist, I'm getting free makeovers and free hairstyle. So it's like a heaven for a girl. So why should you join us? You are not restricted to anything. You are the owner of your work. You got to work with the founders. The founder sits with you, and basically they just want that you grow. So they gives you the work that you like. If they feel that you are good with data, they see you, they feel that your personality works with data, so they give you that work. And you are not supposed to be restricted to one thing. You got to do lots of things. You can find that in what way you are good. I'm a shopaholic, I'm a multitasker, and I'm a part-time model. So yeah, that makes me super. So come join Vanity Cube and stay super.